What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Canon EOS 90D, so stick around. Welcome back guys, and let's get straight into the unboxing. So as you can see, we have the EOS 90D in front of us. On the right side of the box we have the 90D itself, included with the 18-135 image stabilized USM lens, which is the kit lens. Now what's a little strange is that I didn't order the kit lens, I ordered just the body. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. Opening up the lid for the very first time, we're presented with the included components, first off being a pretty thick manual. We also get a neck strap that says EOS 90D. Next up is our battery wall charger with a percentage indicator indicating all four percentages, so 25, 50, 75, and 100%, and located on the back, of course, are the prongs to plug into the wall. And also included in the box is our battery. Lifting the interior lid in the box, we get our power cable as well as the camera body itself. And I really like how Canon puts their cameras inside this cocoon looking material. So after removing the body from the interior plastic, you can see we have the 90D. Now this camera has a ton of features, too many features to mention in an unboxing video. However, I will be going in depth into every feature in the full review, so make sure you're subscribed and you hit that bell icon to be notified when that video is uploaded. As you can see, we have our control wheel on the left, we also have our screen on the right, as well as our hot shoe on the top center. We have our shutter button on the top right, as well as our autofocus, drive, and ISO buttons. On the back of the camera is a flip out touchscreen that's extremely useful when it comes to framing your shot. Now as you can see, we also get an LCD viewfinder. And some of the pros about this camera, and obviously every camera has some pros and cons. So some of the pros about this camera is that it has no crop in 4K. It does shoot 4K 30. So that's a good thing. Also we get 120 frames per second in full HD. It's also a pretty good price, so I will have this particular camera linked in the video description. Now as I mentioned earlier, I will be doing a full review of this camera, so let me know down in the comments section what specific things you would like to see me cover in that full review. Now I will be doing the standard test, so that is image stabilization. I will be doing low light tests, and of course overall image clarity tests. Now I've been searching for the perfect vlogging camera. This camera is extremely good for vlogging. The only thing is it's kind of big and heavy. However, it does create an excellent picture and your vlog comes out really nice. Now I went ahead and purchased just the body because I do have several different lenses that I'm going to be experimenting with here on the 90D. So I have a 60mm macro lens. I have a 50mm f1.4 lens, as well as a couple kit lenses. So let me know down in the comments section below what specific things again you would like to see me cover in that full review. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.